Welcome to Fayetteville, North Carolina, the can-do city where Southern charm meets modern opportunity. Whether you're a military family, a young professional, or a retiree seeking your next chapter, Fayetteville offers an exceptional blend of affordability, community, and quality of life that people all across the nation seek out to find. So I'm Nicole Martinez with Strother, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to give you everything that you need to know about making Fayetteville your new home. From housing costs to neighborhoods, from job opportunities to lifestyles, let's explore why Fayetteville might be your next destination. Located in the heart of North Carolina's Sandhill region, Fayetteville is perfectly positioned. Just 65 miles from Raleigh, and with easy access to both the mountains and the coast via Interstate 95. So let's talk about what matters most, and that's affordability. Fayetteville offers exceptional value with housing costs 29% lower than our national average. So are you planning on renting? Because the reason I ask is Fayetteville's rental average cost is about $1,300 a month, which is significantly lower than our major metropolitan areas in North Carolina. So overall, the cost of living here in Fayetteville, North Carolina is 6% lower than our national average, which means your dollar is going to stretch a lot further here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. So here in Fayetteville, groceries cost 5% less than the national average. Transportation is 2% cheaper, and utilities run about 3% below national costs. The median household income is about $56,000, providing comfortable living standards for most families. To put this in better perspective, a lifestyle that takes about $80,000 to maintain in Raleigh or Charlotte, somewhere like that, would only take about $65,000 here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. So this gives you more financial freedom for things that matter most. Fayetteville offers diverse neighborhoods to match every lifestyle. So let's explore some of the top areas that newcomers love to explore. Haymount combines historic charm with downtown convenience. These beautiful preserved homes attract young professionals and families who want walkability and character. So the Drac Britt area is also another area that many newcomers are falling in love with. It offers new construction, a community feel, plus an easy commute to most major employers. Hope Mills and Grays Creek offer family friendly atmospheres with exceptional affordability, perfect for first time homebuyers or even growing families looking for more home for their money. Spring Lake is an ideal area for military families, offering convenient access to Fort Bragg while maintaining suburban comfort. Spring Lake consistently ranks as the best suburb around Fayetteville. For those of you seeking more space, Anderson Creek, which is just a hop, skip, and a jump away, offers huge areas that you could take walks in or even go swimming. There's a golf course, all different types of things to do out there. And it's a gated community and it's super close to Fayetteville. Rockfish is also another place right here in Fayetteville that offers affordable housing and has at least 60,000 residents right now. Fayetteville's economy centers around Fort Bragg, which is one of our largest military installations. Beyond military employment, we offer a great, huge plethora of things that you could do in the career path, such as Cumberland County Schools, Cape Fear Medical Center, and a big variety of dental offices, healthcare providers, all different types of things here in Fayetteville. The average salary is just a little bit over 48,000 a year, and our unemployment rate is still under 5%. Fayetteville's strategic location along Interstate 95 attracts logistics and distribution companies, while downtown revitalization efforts continue, creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Military families benefit from skills transferability, And the area's growing economy provides pathways for career transitions. So, whether you're in healthcare, logistics, education, or even an entrepreneur, Fayetteville offers a supportive environment for professional growth. Education is a priority here in Fayetteville. So we have Cumberland County Schools that oversee Fayetteville and the surrounding areas. And one of the things that we pride ourselves in is having different types of schools. So we have our regular public schools, we have a plethora of private schools, we also have charter schools available, and we have specialty schools. Cumberland International Early College High School offers an innovative program allowing students to earn college credits while completing high school, giving students a head start on their future. Families also have access to quality private and charter schools, ensuring educational options that match your family's values and goals. So, beyond academics, we offer a lot of extracurricular things for our youth to do. We have youth bowling leagues. We also have lots of recreational centers located all throughout Fayetteville that offer sports and different educational programs for after school activities. Fayetteville's location, being alongside the Cape Fear River, provides year round outdoor activities for youth and adults to do. The Clark Park Nature Center offers so many things for any skill set. This includes environmental education and scenic trails that are so fun to go through. So, downtown Fayetteville has undergone so much revitalization. It now features local restaurants, cultural events, and even lots of breweries. Try Circa 1800 for amazing steak. Luigi's offers an amazing Italian cuisine. And if you're a sports fan, you're going to have a blast cheering for our Fayetteville Woodpeckers at our very own Segra Stadium, which is also located downtown Fayetteville. So, history enthusiasts can explore the Special Operations Museum and the Airborne Museum, and numerous other sites that reflect Fayetteville's role in American history. Freedom Memorial Park honors local heroes while also providing nice green areas for families. With year round, moderate climates, we have hot summers but mild winters, so year round activities are always a thing. Healthcare in Fayetteville, North Carolina is always accessible and comprehensive. So, Cape Fear Valley Hospital serves as our primary hospital, offering emergency care, specialized treatments, and advanced surgeries. Fayetteville also features multiple urgent care centers, specialized clinics, and healthcare networks, ensuring your family's medical needs are covered. While healthcare costs run about 6% above national average, the quality and the accessibility make it worthwhile. So, if you're ready to get started moving to Fayetteville, North Carolina, let's get started with some practical tips. Are you ready to move? Here's what you're going to need to get started. So first, we're going to talk about housing. Make sure you contact a local real estate agent or realtor that's familiar with our military relocation services and or first-time homebuyer services. So Duke Energy and PwC are your main utility providers. Make sure you go ahead and schedule them connections early because sometimes they do make you wait about 3 to 4 days before the connection actually occurs. Research the schools in all of Fayetteville so that way you can kind of get a feel for what matches your interests best. I, as a realtor, can tell you what all great schools that we have in Fayetteville, North Carolina, but they're not all going to align with your interests. So, your best bet is to go ahead and do your research online before you ever even get here. Many families choose their neighborhoods solely based on the school district. So, make sure you factor that into your home search. Start planning 60 to 90 days before your actual move. Research neighborhoods, secure housing, and make sure you get a jump start on them utilities. Fayetteville offers the perfect combination of affordability, opportunity, and Southern hospitality. With its strong military heritage, growing economy, and genuine community spirit, you'll find more than just a place to live. You'll find a place to call home. So, are you ready to explore Fayetteville? My link is in the comments below. Also, you could even send me a text at 910-587-0076. I would be more than happy to send you some resources so that way you can go ahead and start researching Fayetteville now before you make the move. If you prefer, I could also provide you with videos of different housing neighborhoods and things of that nature. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon.